Welcome, geometry students, to class day on this Friday the 16th. I hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to take your quiz and to work on some assignments, okay? First of all, we will have a test next week. I will give you more information on that on Monday. Maybe we're going to turn something in, maybe not, okay? I'm going to talk about that in just a couple minutes here, okay? In fact, I'm going to go ahead and talk about it now. I need every student to pay attention. And Mrs. Duke, I hope this makes sense in such a way that maybe you can answer any questions if they have any. I gave you this assignment right here on Wednesday. I gave you this assignment yesterday. Now, in my defense, remember, the quiz was supposed to be yesterday. I'm sure Mrs. Duke explained all this to you guys. She emailed me, told me that the machine downstairs was not working, so I had to very quickly throw together some work for you guys to do yesterday. So because my lesson plans are pretty organized and pretty detailed, but I forgot, as I was in a hurry, that I'd given you homework on Wednesday, due on Friday, and I've told you guys in the past, I do not agree with teachers doing that, giving you homework Wednesday, telling you just do Friday, then giving you more homework on Thursday. So I did that accidentally, okay? And so, here's what we're going to have to do. If you have, look right now, students, before we start taking your quiz, look. If you have any of these two assignments completely done, put your name on them and turn them in now. If you don't, it's okay. Don't turn your assignment in, either one of these two, if you're not totally done with it. So if anyone in the room is done with one or both of these, put your names on them and turn them in now at this time. Now I have to do this. I'm going to give you guys until Monday to get these two assignments done. Students, I have to do that. I have to be a fair teacher. I have told you guys. I do not agree with homework being given on Wednesday and then more given on Thursday. And so I messed up, as Mrs. Duke understands, in a hurry yesterday, trying to throw a lesson together, and I should not have given you more homework. Your incompletes are right here. All of these, I'm not going to read all these. All of these have to be turned in by today or they will be permanent zeros. So if Mrs. Duke needs to pause the video, that's up to her and you students, but there's what everybody's missing. Caleb, these two. Caleb, this one here. All of you, page 188, and these two, page 196. Okay. So, those are your incompletes. Moving on. Today we're going to be taking the quiz and then working on the two assignments that are due Monday. So like I already said, these two assignments right here will be due on Monday. Okay? And I'm sorry about that. Now, I put the lesson numbers here so that you know the help video for this assignment is lesson 4.5 homework. The help video for this assignment here is lesson 4.6 homework. Now, which one of those two help videos Mrs. Duke plays after the quiz is over is up to her. Maybe she can see which students have the biggest need for lesson 4.5 or 4.6 and then go from there. But anyways, we're going to take the quiz and then work on these two assignments. They'll be due on Monday. Moving on, if I can get this thing to work here. Moving on. Okay, at this time, go ahead and pause the video, pass out the quizzes, and then restart the video once everyone has a quiz on their desk. Okay, students, here we go. Page number 1 is obviously fill in the blank. Page number 2, I want you to draw lines from the type of triangle to its description. So whatever you think an isosceles triangle is, draw the line over and connect it, okay, to the definition. Now, having said that, make sure your lines are straight, not messy, and make sure I can tell which triangle is being drawn to which definition. If I can't tell, then I will not count them. Number 16, find the measure of angle 3. Number 17, find the measure of angle 4. Moving on to the next page, notice 18 and 19 have two congruent sides. Solve for x. Numbers 20 and 21. Each of those triangles have two congruent angles. Solve for x. Numbers 22 and 23. Use Pythagorean's theorem to solve. And last, lastly, there's your word bank. The very last page is your word bank, okay? So there's your quiz for today. Now that's all for today. Please get started on your quiz, and when you're done, then please work on these two assignments. If you finish either one of those two today, please feel free to turn them in, but if you do not, that's okay. They're not due until Monday. Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions at all.